Hi, sixth grade. It was nice to see those of you that popped on yesterday for math questions, even though most of you didn't have them. It was nice to see your face. We'll do it again next week. And I'll be on later today if you do have questions at 2:15. Before we start today, we're going to go over 3.7. I wanted to just give you a quick heads up. Tomorrow, on Friday, there's going to be a quiz on chapters 1 through 3, okay? And it's due Friday. So make sure you get that done before you go on your weekend, okay? All right, let's take a look at this. Distributing and combining like terms, all right? So this is, again, from chapter 3, an old concept, but I want to review it so it's fresh in your mind. Number 45 is one of the problems from the book that you will be doing with your homework. And it starts off with A's, right? So this is when we would look for like terms. And the A is like a label. So 3 A's, maybe apples, plus 5 apples minus 1 apple is equal to, so 3 plus 5 is 8A, minus 1A is 7A. Okay? Example number 2, another one. 3x plus 9x minus 2. In this one, only the 3 and the 9 have x's. The 2, it doesn't, so it's not the same, and it can't be combined, okay? So the x's, whatever that stands for, they can all be combined. 3x plus 9x is 12x. And 12x and a 2, a negative 2, cannot be combined. So that means for our answer, we're going to have 2 terms, a 12x and a negative 2. Our next example, the third example, we have similarly some that do combine and one that won't. So here we have 8y. This one is a little bit of this one and a little bit of this one. So 8y plus 2y plus 12. So the 8y and the 2y are obviously the same. And this 1y, this is 1, right? Just like this one up here where we had an A all by itself and we put the 1. If there is 1 there, it represents 1 even if they don't show it, okay? So 8y plus 1y is 9y plus 2 more y's is 11y. And then plus 12 is all by itself. It can't be combined to the 11y because it doesn't have the same label. So we end up with 11y plus 12. Sometimes you'll have to distribute and then check to see if you can combine like terms. In this next example, this is the fourth one, we have an 8 on the outside and a 9r and a negative 10 on the inside. So like yesterday, you're going to distribute by multiplying 8 times 9r and 8 times negative 10. 8 times 9, oopsie, is 72r. And 8 times negative 10 is negative 80. Those two cannot be combined because they're not both with the same label. 72r, 80, both of them are part of our answer. The last one, the fifth example. I didn't leave myself a lot of room, so I'm going to go under. I have an 8 again on the outside, so it's going to be distributed to everything on the inside. So 8 times 2v, so 8 times 2 is 16v. Then I have 8 times 3w, and 8 times 3w is going to be 24w. And then I have 8 times 1, which is 8. And so then I check my labels. V, W, no label. They're all different. If they're all different, then we cannot combine them. So our answer includes all 3. For homework tonight, we are still on page 366. We did 45 together, so you are going to be doing numbers 46 through 52 even. Let me know if you have any questions, okay, guys?